Hello. I built another box. After Chris's stereo project, I got the bugs, so I had to build another one. I needed a box for my house system again, and I made it so it'll also fit in the back of a '96 Civic trunk. So might go in the back of one of them one day. So here it is. I've always wanted to build one of these. It's going to be a Isobaric build, a pair of 10-inch woofers, one on the inside, one on the outside. There's a little flange ring in between and a 4-inch port, 14 inches long, that I've supported on the inside and added an extra ring so I can make a nice chamfer on there, nice fillet inside and outside. It's also an extra piece there for extra strength. So should be strong box. Here's what it looks like with the lid back on it. There it is. So when it's all done, it's gonna look like that. One sub sticking out, one inside. Nice big port. Okay, all 3/4 inch MDF. So here is some Win ISD. I modeled a few systems here. Let's see. This first one here, that's a 3/4 inch cubic foot, 3/4 cubic foot sealed box. Pretty boring. Then if we do a 1.5 cubic foot vented enclosure, that fills a lot more space under the graph there. That's a much more impressive box. And then here is our Isobaric. Same thing with a little bit more in there. Yeah, I just kind of always wanted to build one. It's probably going to be a little bit boomy in there. That's that peaks at about 34 hertz. Should play down to about 27. Yeah, should be a nice little box. Yeah, 27 hertz sitting down there. Peaks at about 34. So we'll try one of these. Isobaric. I'm going to use the Titanium TS104. I'll give you a look at them. So I've already built this box. It's out in the garage. So let's go have a look now. Give you a look at this box. So I used some old MDF that's been kicking on the shop forever. You can see in there, there's my whatever, nice big strong panel, big port in there. Got my usual Def Pops and Son logo, Def Pops and Son sub chambers. So this thing, that's the orientation it's going to sit in the trunk. I've already sanded it and filleted it and got it all pretty nice shape. Put it out. Okay, so one sub. It's in there nice. And then got a ring. And then I already pre-drilled it, all the holes lined up. I'm not going to worry about that for this demo. Ultimate Titanium. They look like a pretty decent sub for what they are. When I was a kid in the early 90s playing with car stereos, you couldn't even get a sub really this nice. And now I think these were cheap junk, maybe even available at Walmart. I don't think these things cost very much. It's let's see, TS104 peak power 400 watts. I think it's a 100 watt RMS sub, and with two of them here, we'll run a couple 300 watts at it and see how that responds. So these subs, I found at what we call the Wassa Walmart, which is a dump out by Wassa Lake where people drop things off to be salvaged and whatnot. And they're just laying in the dirt beside the garbage bin, matching set of junky subwoofers. So I picked them up. Thought this would be a perfect project for that. So let's see if we can get some decent sound out of some junky freebie subwoofers, some old MDF that I've had sitting here for 12 plus years. That sewer pipe's been here for 15 years. So good recycle project. I'm kind of excited to finish it. So I'll wire it, bolt it together, and we'll give you a little review after we get it running. That's all. Thanks for watching.